What exactly is Docker? Before talking about what Docker is, I want to focus on the problem why we need Docker first. Imagine this situation. You write an application on your computer and everything works perfectly. Then you send the same project to your teammate computers and suddenly it does not work. It totally breaks. Maybe the problem is that your teammate computers have a different operating system, a different version of Python or Node or PHP, missing libraries, different configurations, and conflicting software. This is a classic and painful software problem. It works on my machine, but not on yours. Before Docker, developers spent hours fixing these environment differences. Docker was created to solve this problem completely. Here is the clearest definition of Docker. It is a tool that packages your application and all its requirements into a standardized unit called a container, so it can run anywhere. The container does not run on your computer, but it runs on Docker installed on your computer. Your teammates will be able to run your app from a container if their computer installed Docker. They can run the app because everything the app needs is inside one container. This makes your app portable and consistent. The idea of Docker comes from real-world shipping containers. A single container can hold many different items, packages, boxes, tools. Shipping becomes much easier when you move one container, instead of shipping each item separately. And because shipping containers were designed with a universal standard, the same container works on every ship, every truck, and every crane. Every machine could lift them, every vehicle could carry them, and every port could handle them. This standardization made global shipping much easier, because every container worked the same way everywhere. Docker containers work exactly the same way as shipping containers. Before Docker, apps were hard to move. Every server was different and deployments broke easily. Now, with Docker, applications are placed inside standardized Docker containers, similar to how items and packages are placed inside the standard shipping containers. And just like those shipping containers work anywhere, Docker containers run the same on every system.